Hello, beautiful. My name is Joany and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be working in the magical element of intimacy. We're going to incorporate that into our movement. So get ready. Deep breath in. Breathe out and relax the arms on your shoulder blades. And hold it right here. Shoulder roll, right, left, right, left. I want you to just relax and make sure that when you do your shoulder roll, that you're using the upper body too. The muscles behind your back on the around the shoulder blades. Kind of pull from the back. Soften the elbows, the wrists. Good. Now just focus on the elbows. It's out and in. Out and in. Out and in. Breathe and breathe out. So go. Expand and release. I want you to open the heart and release. And out. Two more. Good. So we're going to slide the hips side to side. We're going to open up our belly. Get ready to be more intimate. Embrace your curves. And breathe into it. I want you to bring some air into it. And when you bring the air into it, bring some love into it. Smile. Smile will make it so much easier. Smile at your hips and your belly and smile in the inside. I want you to love what's inside of you. And how you get more intimate is by caring, loving yourself. And that's how you could share that intimacy with somebody else. We're going to start doing some loops, some circles. So figure eight, right? So horizontal figure eight going towards the back, nice and smooth. Right, left. And again, if you find that you're starting to have little tension in your lower back, again, no tension. If you want to be intimate, you got to be relaxed. So if you feel tension, make the smaller movement. So don't make it so big, make it small. And then expand from there. Keep going. Feel those loops. It's infinite. You never stop loving yourself. It's infinite. Love the figure eight. I just love it. So from her horizontal figure eight, we're going to go into a vertical. So we're going to go up and over, up and over. Hip up and over, up and over. Now once you start touching yourself, touch those hips, give it some love, embrace it. From there, we're going to go into like a vertical circle. So we're going to go up to the right, plie, cross over to the left, and up and over. So it's like down, side, up, side, down, side, up. So it's your vertical circle. Now we're going to combine this together. Let's go to a horizontal figure eight, right, left, into a vertical, up and over, and to one vertical circle. And from here, I want you to scoop up to the left and start doing a vertical going up. You could push against the ball of your foot going up. Now we're going to add some arms, and again, the arms, the extension of your heart. So you really want to kind of have your arms nice and flowy and relaxed. Nurture yourself by embracing. Bring some love into your heart. And then once you're ready, you can kind of give it out. Share it. Keep your vertical figure eight going up, up. Whenever I do arm movement, I don't use the shoulders. I always kind of make my arms to be like a beautiful dress, a piece of clothing, and it's relaxed on my shoulder blades. It's always from the back. So shoulders a little bit rolled back, but everything is on my shoulder blades. Everything carried on my shoulder blades. Keep going to vertical figure eight. I'm going to bring your arms up nice and slow. Just wave, and I want you to bring the palms out and kind of push up. Push up. Good. Now bring your palms to the heart. And now back to a horizontal figure eight. Right, left. Reverse vertical up and over. Into one circle, going down and up, and now go into your vertical, going up, up. Bring your arms up. And I want your wrist to follow the hip. So if it's left, your right, bring your wrist down, and then as it goes up, the wrist goes up too. Switch, up, up. So the wrist kind of mimic the hip. Keep going. Now you can add levels to this. You could go down and then up, up, down. Good. Now bring your arms here into our shoulder roll. And all I want you to do is kind of shift away from one foot to the other. Now we're going to add some belly movement. So I want you to kind of just pull the belly in and out. And kind of do a sagittal circle forward and back. So this is a beautiful little undulation from the belly. It's also a nice sagittal circle. So we're opening our root chakra, our sacral, all of this fire and water element, and then our heart. And this is all elements that helps you to kind of open up into intimacy. Very magical. You also want to be very watery. So you always want to feel that looseness. And you want to breathe into it, and you want to be relaxed. The reason why is because intimacy doesn't hold back anything. It's just a beautiful, freeing element. You just let it go. And at the same time, you want to receive. And what you want to receive is just abundance, love, goodness, a feel good feeling. Now let's put all this together. We're going to go back to the horizontal figure eight, the infinite loop, right, left, into reverse vertical up and over, figure eight. Now let's do a circle, vertical circle, whee, into a upward figure eight. And now we're going to add the arms, the extension of our heart, and the arm's going to go up and kind of follows the hip. It's left, right. Nice and relaxed. Now once you bring your arms here, I'm going to add the shoulder roll. And let's add the belly, forward and back. Contract, release. It's a nice small contraction and release. Very wavy. And see how the wrist kind of follows? The pelvic goes forward, the wrist goes forward, and then comes in. I'm going to put this all together again. Let's go into a horizontal figure eight, into the reverse vertical figure eight, the Maya, upside down, into a vertical circle, into a upward figure eight, up. Add your hands. You can flick. Into the shoulder roll. Into the belly. And let's do this one more time. Right, left, Maya, up and over, into a big circle, down, up into the vertical upward with the hands. You could push against the ball of your foot to bring the heel up. And now let's go into a shoulder roll. Into our belly. Right here, I want you to feel the energy between your hands, right here. And again, we're really embracing our body. We're being very intimate with it by loving it, loving everything about it. The belly, the curves, the flesh, the muscles, the fat, the bone, the cells, everything. Keep going. And let's do one more step, one more time. Horizontal. Maya, up and over. You know, Maya means water in Arabic, so you really want to feel the fluidity in your body, the wave. Now let's go into the vertical circle, into the vertical figure eight, going up. Add the arms, come up, and push up and up. Bring your arms halfway down into the shoulder roll. Into your belly. You could add direction here. You could go to the right, to the left. these movements, if you want to use a song that's very melodic, a song that's even has some tantra music or anything that's romantic, you could dance all of these movements that we just did and enjoy. And I am enjoying it right now, so I'm really getting intimate with myself, so I'm really loving this. So, but I want you to enjoy that same feeling that I'm having, and that's my hope that you do this and practice, because it's just a wonderful feeling. Keep practicing.